Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will learn about money, and the important topics in today's chapter are addition and subtraction of money, multiplication of money, division of money, and word problems. So let's start with the addition and subtraction of money. Here is an example for both. Let's add 450 rupees 50 paisa to 145 rupees 25 paisa. We write rupees and paisa respectively in their columns, one under another. We first add the paisa, which is 50 plus 25, which gives us 75 paise. Now we move to the rupees column. Here we have 450 plus 145, which gives us 595. So 450 rupees 50 paise plus 145 rupees 25 paise is equal to 595 rupees 75 paise. Now let's subtract 152 rupees 50 paise from 400 rupees. Since 400 is greater than 152 rupees, we write 400 on top. Let's start by subtracting in the paise column. Here we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we borrow from the rupee column. So 100 minus 50 is 50. 399 minus 152, which gives us 247. So 400 rupees minus 152 rupees 50 paise is 247 rupees 50 paise. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. So we have to add 300 rupees 50 paise with 156 rupees. Start with the paise column, which gives us 50 paise. Now 300 plus 156, which is 456. So the final answer is 456 rupees 50 paise. We now have to subtract 429 rupees 50 paise and 124 rupees 25 paise. Arrange them in columns and start with the paise column. 50 minus 25 gives us 25. 429 minus 124 gives us 305. So the final answer is 305 rupees 25 paise. Multiplication of money. Let's learn how to multiply money. Let's multiply 13 rupees 50 paise by 4. A simple way to multiply is multiplying each individual number with 4. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 5, 20. We write 0 at the bottom and carry over 2. 4 into 3 plus 2, which is 14. We carry over 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Since the point is after 2 digits, we write the point after 2 digits in the answer as well. So the final answer is 54 rupees. We now have to multiply 750 with 1 and 6 individually. We start with multiplying 750 with 6, which is 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, and we carry over 3, writing 0 at the bottom. And 6 7s are 42, plus 3 is 45. We now move a row below and we start 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, and 1 7s are 7, which is 750, with 1 place marked in X. We now have to add the two figures. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carrying over 1, 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12. Since the point is after 2 digits, we also place the point after 2 digits in the answer. So 120 is the final answer. So 7 rupees 50 paise into 16 is 120 rupees. Now remember, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So there will always be 2 digits in the paise column. Division of money. Let's learn how to divide money. So let's divide 342 rupees by 3. We start by writing 342 in the dividends place and 3 in the divisors place. Since 3 ones are 3, we write 1 in the quotients place and subtract 3 from 3. We now bring 4 down. Again, we go with 3 ones are 3, writing 1 in the quotient. On subtraction of 4 minus 3, we get 1. We now bring down 2, 12. 3 fours are 12. On subtraction, the remainder is 0. So the answer is 114. So 342 rupees divided by 3 is 114 rupees. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. Let's multiply the following. 12 rupees 50 paise into 22. We now have to multiply 12.50 individually with 2 and 2, which gives us 2500 plus 25000. On addition, we get the final answer as 27500. Since the point has to be after 2 digits, we place the point after 5. So the final answer is 275. So 12 rupees 50 paise into 22 is 275 rupees. Now let's divide the following. 24 rupees 50 paise divided by 12. We first place 24.50 in the dividend and 12 in the divisor. Since 2 12s are 24, we add 2 to the quotient and subtract 24 with 24. We now bring down 5. Since 5 is smaller than 12, we add 0 to the quotient and bring down 0. We know that 4 12s are 48. So we write 4 in the quotient and 2 in the remainder. So we write 4 in the quotient. In subtraction, we get 2 as the remainder. Since 2 is smaller than 12, we cannot continue division. Since there needs to be 2 places after the decimal point, we put the point after 2. So the final answer is 2.04. So 24 rupees 50 paise divided by 12 is approximately 2 rupees 4 paise. Now let's learn how we can use these concepts and solve word problems. Here is the first example. Seema bought vegetables for 153 rupees 75 paise, fruits for 231 rupees 25 paise and grocery items for 578 rupees. How much money did she spend in all? We simply have to add the given amounts. So the money spent on vegetables is 153 rupees 75 paise. Money on fruits is 231 rupees 25 paise and the money spent on groceries is 578 rupees. On adding the three amounts, we get the answer as 963 rupees. So Seema spent 963 rupees. Here is the next example. The cost of a pencil box is 257 rupees 75 paise and of a color box is 575 rupees 25 paise. Which costs more and by how much? We can clearly see that the color box costs more than the pencil box. To find by how much, we need to subtract the given amounts. So 575 rupees 25 paise minus 257 rupees 75 paise. On subtraction, we get the answer as 317 rupees 50 paise. So the color box costs more by 317 rupees 50 paise. Here's the next example. The cost of 9 paintings is 679 rupees 50 paise. If all the paintings are the same price, find the price of one painting. The cost of 9 paintings is 679 rupees 50 paise. The cost of one would be if we divide the total cost by 9. So 679 rupees 50 paise divided by 9 gives us 75 rupees 50 paise. So the price of one painting is 75 rupees 50 paise. Here is the next example. Gopi bought 3 notebooks, each of which cost 24 rupees 75 paise. How much should he pay to the shopkeeper? We have to multiply the cost into the number of books. The cost of one book is 24 rupees 75 paise. Since Gopi bought 3 notebooks, we have to multiply 24 rupees 75 paise with 3, which gives us the final answer as 74 rupees 25 paise. So the cost of 3 notebooks is 74 rupees 25 paise. So here is the summary of today's lesson. Today, we learnt about addition and subtraction of money, multiplication of money, division of money, and word problems.